Okay, I need to ask you something and I need you to be honest with yourself. When you finish editing a video, when you have put in all the hours, the research, the films, the cut, what do you do for your thumbnail? Most creators just screenshot something, maybe slap some text on it, maybe spend 20 minutes in Canva, maybe they do what I used to do back then, stare at it for a long way and convince myself it looks fine, let me post it, then wonder why the video flopped. Here is the brutal truth. Your video could be incredible, genuinely and actually incredible. And if your thumbnail is wrong, nobody clicks, nobody watches, and nobody ever find out how good that video was. And the crazy thing, most creators are losing thousands of views every single week to a problem that is now completely solvable. So in this video, I'm going to show you the AI tool that is quietly changing the thumbnail game for creators. And by the end, you will understand exactly why some channels seems to grow almost effortlessly while others make great content that just never get found. Stick around because the third feature I'm going to show you, that one actually shocked me. Let me give you some context on why thumbnails matter so much, because I think most creators intellectually know thumbnails are important, but they don't actually feel how important they are. YouTube is essentially a marketplace. Every single video on the platform is competing for attention at the same time. And the way viewers make decisions is insanely fast these days. We're talking about fraction of a second, a glance, a scroll. So your thumbnail is your billboard, is the first thing and sometimes only thing someone sees before they decide to click or keep scrolling. And here's the thing most people don't realize. A 1% improvement in your click-through rate CTR doesn't just get you 1% more views because of how YouTube algorithm works. Better CTR signal to YouTube that people want to watch your video. So it shows it to more people, which is more clicks, which means YouTube shows it to even more people and it compounds. A better thumbnail isn't just a cosmetic, it's a growth lever. So the question is, why are most creators still designing thumbnail by gut feeling in 2026? For years, thumbnail creation was basically a guessing game. You like at what big creators were doing, you try to copy the vibe, maybe you watch tutorial about the perfect thumbnail formula and then you guess this will work. And guessing is expensive. Every upload is a test. Every bad thumbnail is a missed opportunity. But here is what changed. A tool called thumbs.ai. I want to walk you through what it actually does because it is just not a make it look pretty tool, it's a genuinely a different category of thing. The core idea is this: instead of designing thumbnail based on how you think they should look, thumbs.ai generates ICTR thumbnails that are trained on what actually make people click. Let me show you the key features because each one solves a specific problems that creators run into. Features number one is text to thumbnail. You literally describe your video in a plain English, like guys looking shocked at a laptop with a bright yellow background and bold text, and the AI generates a professional click-worthy thumbnail in seconds. No design skills, no Photoshop, no Canva. You describe it, it builds it. But most people don't realize you can also go other direction. Upload a video or an existing thumbnail and the tool reimagines it completely. A total design overhaul with one click. Now here is where it starts to get more interesting. Okay, this is the feature I want you to pay close attention to. One of the biggest mistakes I see smaller creators make, and I make these mistakes too, is trying to invent a visual style from scratch. Spending hours trying to figure out what works for your niche. But here is the thing, the biggest channel have already done this testing for you. Mr. Beast team, for example, didn't land on that red arrow, shocking face, or both test formula by accident. They tested it, optimized it, and it started working for them. So thumbs.ai has a feature called clone channel style. You literally paste in any YouTube channel URL, the tool analyzes the most recent 9 thumbnails from that channel and extract the visual, the color palette, the topography, the composition, the emotional energy, and then it lets you generate your own thumbnail in that style. No copying at all, but cloning the strategy and the framework, the psychology that make people click that particular thumbnail. You're not stealing anything at all. You're understanding what works and applying it to your own content. And honestly, this is what big agencies do. They research, they analyze, they model what is already working. Now any creator can do it in about 30 seconds. But here's the crazy part. I haven't even gotten to the feature that surprised me the most, and we'll get there in a minute. Let me tell you about a creator I came across. His name is Marcus. He's been making YouTube videos for almost 2 years in the personal finance space. Good videos, I must tell you, genuinely useful content, consistent upload, but his channel was stuck, hovering at a few hundred views per video. The algorithm wasn't picking him up at all. He couldn't even figure out why. He started obsessing over it, spent more time on editing, experimented with different topics, changed his posting schedule. Nothing moved the needle. One day he decided to look at his analytics more closely, and he found something uncomfortable. His click-through rate was sitting at 2.1%. For context, a healthy CTR for most niches is somewhere between 4 and 8%. Some channels even hits double digits. Marcus was getting less than half the click he should have been. And because his CTR was low, YouTube had quietly decided to stop recommending his videos. Not because his content was bad, because his thumbnail weren't pulling people in. He started using Tom.ai. He cloned the style of two of his biggest channels in his niche. He ran the AI face expression tool to make the expression more dynamic. He used the CTR rater, which I'm going to talk about in a second, to perfect which thumbnail will perform the best before uploading. Within 6 weeks, his average CTR had jumped to 5.7%. Same video, same topic, same editing, different thumbnails. The algorithm started recommending his content again. His view tripled. So Marcus is not special. He just stopped guessing. Okay, I promise you the feature that actually surprised me. Here it is. Toms.ai has something called the Expression Lab. And this one is wide, I must tell you. You take a single photo of yourself, one photo, and it will generate a full library of different emotional reactions like shock, excitement, curiosity, concern, joy, and all of that. Each one turned to a trigger is specific psychological response in the viewer. Why does this matter? Because the research on thumbnail psychology is really clear. Human faces, especially faces showing a strong emotion, drive significantly more clicks than thumbnails without faces. Our brains are wired to pay attention to other people's emotions instinctively. But here's the problem most creators face. Getting the right expression on camera is actually hard. Have you tried to look authentically shocked for a thumbnail? The Expression Lab solves this completely. You upload one neutral photo and you can slide a dial between my surprise and full shock mode. Fine-tune it until it's exactly what you need. And you can generate 10 or 20 variations a minute, which leads perfectly into the next feature, which I'm going to talk about in this video, and it is called A/B test batch. Instead of uploading one thumbnail and hoping for the best, you generate multiple variations, different expression, different color treatment, different text placement, and test them all. You actually know what works. Before even you upload, you can run the CTR rater, the one I talked about before now. This is an AI score that predicts how likely your thumbnail is going to generate click. Before you push or publish anything, it tells you if something looks weak, you fix it first, then you upload. Think about what this actually means. You have eliminated the guesswork at every stage, designing it, score it, test it, optimize it. No more post and pray. Let me just pull back for a second and give you the complete picture of what Toms.ai actually does for creator. Benefit 1 is speed. Creators who used to spend 2 hours in Photoshop for a single thumbnail are now generating 10 options in minutes. That time goes back into making better content. Benefit 2 is no design skill required. You don't need to know Photoshop. You don't need to understand color theory or typography rule. AI handles all of that. All you need to do is just to direct it like you are briefing a designer. Benefit 3 is consistency. One of the underrated key to channel growth is visual brand consistency. Viewers start to recognize your thumbnail before they even read the title. Toms.ai make it easy to maintain a consistent style across every upload. And benefit 4 is data-driven decision. The CTR rater and the A/B testing features mean you are not relying on your gut anymore. You are making decisions based on what is likely to work. And benefit 5 is intelligence. The channel's cloning features means you can always study what is working in your niche. It is like having a spy in the camp of every big creator you admire. And the biggest benefit here is the one that ties all of this together. You start growing faster because better thumbnail means higher CTR. Higher CTR means more algorithm distribution. More distribution means more views. More views means more subscribers. More subscribers simply means more reach on your next video. It's like a flywheel, and the thumbnails are the thing that get it spinning, guys. Here is what I want you to take away from the video. Your content quality matters, your consistency matters, your topic research matters. All of this matters, but none of it gets seen if people don't click. The creators who are growing fast right now, they have stopped treating thumbnail as an afterthought. They are treating them as the front door to everything they create, because that is what a thumbnail is. The link for Toms.ai is in the description. You can start completely for free, no credit card needed. Go generate your first thumbnail, run the CTR rater on one of your existing thumbnail and see how it scores. I genuinely think you will be surprised. If you found this video useful, please subscribe. I cover tools, strategies, and systems to help you grow on YouTube faster. I'll see you in the next one.